Today we're taking a look at this microphone here. It is the PD100W. It is wireless and USB dynamic microphone for gaming, streaming, podcasts, YouTubers, what have you. Right now it's actually plugged in, but it comes with a receiver, wireless connection. We also have noise canceling feature on here. It's off right now, so let me turn that on. We also got a headphone jack on here. We have a volume knob to turn the input gain up or for your volume for your headphones. This one is the desk stand, obviously, as you can see here. Then they also have a boom arm option you can buy. We also have a mute button. You can customize your vibe with 8 colors, 3 lighting modes available. When using it wirelessly, you get 40 hours of continuous use with a single charge. There's also software where you can set custom EQ settings for original sound, podcast, gaming, and singing, or create your own custom presets. If you want to use it for an iPhone or a camera, you have to buy these separate adapters here. These are the receivers. There's different options. They're sold separately. The noise reduction is a really cool feature. I have it turned on right now on its lowest setting. There's not too much noise in the room right now, but it helps reduce any background noise and such. So some other things, it's well built. The stand is very nice. It's very lightweight as well, easy to move around, especially when you use the wireless version of it. Great to throw on your desk, create your vibe with your colors when you're making videos and stuff like that, streaming, whatever you're doing with it. Indeed. How do you pronounce this company? I don't know how to pronounce the company name, but anyways, they sent me this out to check out free of charge. There'll be links down in the description below for it. I think it's a very well made, decent microphone for your streaming podcast. You could obviously hear the sound quality of my voice right now through it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. They also got some other cool things on their website, some different stands and everything. The 200 version, which has XLR microphone and wireless and a USB as well. So you get all 3 of those. And they got a bunch of other different microphones you can check out, and stands, headphones, accessories, and such. So yeah, some really cool stuff. Let me know what you think. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.